Have I ever had my picture taken before? Not recently, no. Are you sure you want this? Are you gonna leave this on? Could save electricity? Environment? You like the environment? You like trees? I can do it for you, don't worry. Girl, hold on 1 second, you're gonna laugh. You're gonna laugh. So, I just happen to have this in the car. Can we use it? Is it okay? Just a little something to bounce back some light. Right there, it's right there. You see it? I bought this off eBay, I don't even know what it does. Are the highlights popping? Are they good? Do you need like a secondary light? You sure? Am I catching the light? Do I got it? Did we kill the shadows? Are they good? Oh yeah, I always have this in my car. I'm getting suntan right now as I'm taking this picture. What camera is that? Is that a mirrorless? So I actually brought my camera. I didn't know like how big this was gonna get, you know, this production. Okay, putting this back is like not fun. I went to Black Friday with this. It was very helpful. As long as you don't open it on a crowd of people, you should be okay. I have a 24 to 105 lens on here. Oh, you need a 50? Oh, I got one in the car. Don't even worry. By any chance, do you need a flash? I got a couple. You can choose which one you want. It's really up to you. I can set up a light behind me so that I'm more illuminated. No? Okay, that's fine. Are these gonna be raw? Because I can take them into Photoshop after this. Wait, you're shooting these in PNG? How? This is a GIF? I actually have my own lighting, so where can I set this up? Is over here okay? Is this good? So where can I plug this in? You got an extension cord? Do you have an outlet I can plug this into? I'm thinking like this way. Is that okay? We're really gonna get some good light. Don't you worry about it. I'm just gonna scoot this over just a little bit. Don't mind me. I got this. It's okay. You don't even have to. Just take a break. Don't worry about it. Oh, I was just checking the exposure for you. It's good. It's looking great. Do you want me to bump this up a little bit? Do you have a tripod by chance? Anywhere here? Perfect. Thank you so much.